What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to find and add friends on Subway Surfers. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up Subway Surfers. From here, tap on the crown icon on the left hand side of your screen. Here you can preview your and your friends' top run. In case you haven't connected the game to your Facebook account yet, then you can do so when selecting Connect. Here, sign into your Facebook account and friends playing Subway Surfers will show up in this list. In the Friends section, you can preview all of your friends who play the game. If you prefer not to use Facebook, but rather a different login method, then navigate to your settings by selecting the gear icon on the top right. Here, select to connect your Game Center or via your Apple ID when using an iOS device. Android users will be able to log in to their Google Play account from here. In case your friend list is not showing up anymore, then disconnect your account and log back in again. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.